and welcome back to Landland's World. So today I'll be showing you guys how I fry red snapper. Let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start off with our ingredients. We have our dry seasoning, our Haitian Epis, and also Mojo, and we're just going to go ahead and mix all of that together. Now that we have all our seasoning mixed together, we're going to go ahead and season our fish. And we're just going to go ahead and rub that all throughout the fish. Once we have our fish nice and seasoning, now we're going to go ahead and put some flour into a pan. I like to use a pan just because it's long enough for me to coat the fish that way. And then we're just going to go ahead and coat the fish. Once our fish is nice and coated, we're just going to go ahead and put it into the deep fryer to fry it. Now, you want to make sure that your oil is hot, but not too hot where it burns the fish, but hot enough where it fries and it's not just sitting in oil. Now we're just going to go ahead and fry it until it's nice and golden brown and cooked throughout. As I fry the remaining of the fish, I'm going to get started on a little sauce. I just have some oil, some peppers, and onions here, and I'm just sauteing them. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some Haitian Epis. We're going to just go ahead and toss that around, make sure it's nice and sauteed. Now I'm gonna add in some peppers and also some parsley and water. Now we're just gonna add in a little bit of adobo seasoning and also a little bit of Maggie and salt to taste. Now we're just gonna let it bring to a boil. I like it a little spicy, so I pop the pepper in there, and that's it. That's how we make our simple onion sauce. And that's it, you guys. I just went ahead and poured our sauce all over the fish, and doesn't that look amazing? I did have it with some bun and pizza. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!